COVID-19 cases in South Carolina continue to rise. Another 1,000 people tested positive for the virus yesterday. The percent of positive cases is at 12.6% today, after hovering around 16% for the past few days. Now, South Carolina is now considered a hotspot for coronavirus cases, trailing only Arizona and Florida in cases per population this month. Our South Carolina reporter Greg Suskin took a look at those trends as the state struggles to bring down the numbers.
Questions about whether or not South Carolina opened up too early or shut down too late really don't matter now. State officials have said the virus is here to stay, and the governor said our own actions will determine the impact moving forward. So far, state health officials have admitted we're not doing enough to slow the virus. In his last news conference, Governor Henry McMaster pushed individual responsibility as the way to see the numbers of COVID-19 cases level off. McMaster says he won't mandate wearing masks and won't shut down the state's businesses again. That's good news to many people.
I was fine with them opening up. In fact, I wanted them to open up as quickly as possible. I wasn't really on board with them closing down in the first place.
Retailers no longer have to limit customers in stores, and most businesses have returned to regular hours, all while the state sees record new cases. Compared with New York, which was the epicenter of the pandemic for weeks, it peaked April 10th with almost 11,000 cases a day and has fallen to 725 a day. South Carolina is going the other way, with a spike beginning in June, rising to more than 1,100 cases on Saturday. The numbers look like this. More than 16% now test positive, up from 8% a month ago. Hospital bed use for COVID patients up 38%, from 429 to 692. There have been 653 deaths. Experts now predict more than 4 times that many by October 1st. Beyond encouraging social distancing and good hygiene, state leaders have said it's up to us. John Howell says he'll keep wearing a mask when he goes out.
For me, I'm wearing a mask to protect other people.
I was in Pineville this weekend, and of course North Carolina is in a different stage of reopening, but the store where we were made us wait outside. We had to put masks on, and they kept us apart from other customers. While many businesses here in South Carolina, it's as if the virus never happened. Back to you.
All right, Greg, thank you. There are a number of businesses that have reopened in South Carolina. That includes restaurants, stores, and public beach access points. Amusement places like arcades are also open now. However, theaters, nightclubs, and concert venues are still closed.